The only reason why I'm sharing this is because I know I am not the only one. I have a great beauty routine, but without a doubt, either product buildup or oily scalp or the weather causes buildup on my scalp. But I have found the perfect 3-piece combo to reset my hair and scalp. Balance shampoo has 5 specific ingredients, I'll pop them up here, that work to cleanse not only hair but scalp. The nerdy info, the molecular structure is so small that it doesn't penetrate all layers of the hair's cuticle. So it doesn't remove natural oils, simply removes our product buildup and environmental residues. Swell conditioner, it is the catalyst of the swell system. Reduce hair shedding and increase hair growth. Is that tingle that just awakens and refreshes the scalp all day long. It's a eucalyptus and mint combo along with the tri-copper peptides that stimulate the hair follicles at the scalp level. My holy grail leave-in conditioner is Quick Fix. It's not just a leave-in conditioner, it's a leave-in treatment because it does so much more. It has 3 types of proteins that are hydrolyzed. So think of them like a protein on steroids that work to penetrate the overly porous areas of your hair to give that really sleek, smooth finish. Look at how nice and smooth those ends are from that Quick Fix. I can't tell you how many hairstylists I've talked to that know the difference of a blowout with or without Quick Fix. I wish you could feel how awake and alive and clean and refreshed my hair and scalp are. It is literally a fresh start, and it definitely shows in my finished blowout. If you have been on the fence about trying Healium hair, this is your sign to try this bundle. And guess what? When you purchase these 3 products, you're also going to get free shipping. So once you've had a chance to experience the products, come back and visit me here. I want to hear all about your experience.